Hey, right, live. We're on. We're on live. This is excellent. Hello, chat. How are we going? Today we have Gabby and Matt. Gabriela Groomz. Gabriela Groomz. Gabby's actually the one who looks after little Orin, who's playing around in the kitchen. So he seems really attached. That's because he loves her. Hey, Bobby.
And I love him.
So come here. Come on the camera.
My friends.
I might have to move over now. I think chat's blocking you. So what do you reckon we make first? I reckon we can get started with maybe puppy treats.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Okay. These are really simple ones. They've got oats, natural peanut butter, because of puppies, right? You don't want to have too much like extra salt or sugar and stuff like that. And some pumpkin.
Interesting.
Yeah. So, we got a cup of oats. We need a third of a cup of pumpkin, and we need a quarter of a cup of peanut butter. So today's assistants. Can you please get a little pot out of that corner store for me? Just gonna chop this up and we'll get that boiling. But what we need to do with the oats is we need to blend them up into like an oat flour. So doesn't blend. We're gonna check. I'm gonna put Matt in charge of that. Right. So headphone warning just in case. Might be a little bit loud.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Blending.
Everyone's ready for blending. We're going.
Does it blend?
Doing a good job.
Alright.
See how we go.
There you go. I don't think it's going to blend more than
Fine
that.
enough, fine enough.
Does it blend? Yes.
Does it blend? Yes, it does. So, we have oat flour. We need to turn the oven on to 150 degrees. Gabby, do you want to mix?
Yeah.
I reckon you can mix. Put the oats in the food processor until they're a powder. We add that in here. And we're just going to boil up that pumpkin, and then we'll mash the pumpkin.
Our pumpkin goes on.
Yes. So you might have to stir it actually, because it's a really natural peanut butter. So it's not as, it doesn't have like all the emulsifiers and all that sort of jazz in there.
Yeah.
So, but for puppies, obviously they can't eat everything we can eat, so I thought it's safest just to do one that was as natural as possible.
Yeah.
And that's what the recipe calls for actually, is like a really natural peanut butter.
Really the best for Prince Orin here.
Yeah, for Prince Orin.
That's a third. I know my measurements and colours.
Measurements and colours.
Yeah, nailing it.
We'll get our trays out, we'll get trays ready.
You're a lucky boy, Orin.
Yeah.
It smells nice.
Yeah, we'll see. Orin, smell good? What's that? You like it? Smells good? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think he's gonna like it. He thinks it smells good, chap. Can you put that over there on the bench, please? Mr. Matt. I'm just gonna mash this pumpkin, right? But can you tell chat, like, I was just discussing this with Gabby as well. I kind of told her I was gonna ask her this question, right? Because we've all seen those videos online of like husky dies getting a bath, right? What's the craziest story you've got in dog grooming?
The crazy, like from a dog or a customer?
Well, let's go dog first, right? Because I didn't even think about customer. So that can be even better.
And I had
Great.
Oh, hydrate. Okay, we'll do. Sorry. Oh, I've got a cocktail. We don't even need to get water. Hydrate. Cheers.
cheers.
Hydrate. We're making puppy treats today. Oh no, it is rude. I apologise. I'll just count every hydrate you redeem as 5 hydrates, and then I'll hydrate another 4 times. So.
Actually, what is that color?
So, alright. So what does Dashound do?
Oh yeah. So he was just getting his nails clipped by a poor girl that I was training, and then he decided to like jumping off the table while the noose was still around him. And then my trainee grandma tried to catch him, and then he took a big chunk out of her thumb. And she was off work for like 3 weeks, but.
So the dog tried to escape.
The dog tried to escape.
She saved
the dog.
We put a big effort.
But hurt herself in the process.
Yeah.
So I gotta say, these actually smell really, really good. Like I don't know, you see, like this is awesome, right? That just smells
does
great.
smell nice. It's the peanut butter.
Yeah, it's the peanut butter that does it. Yeah. Little puppy tree gingerbread man.
Well, it is almost Christmas.
Yeah, okay, cool. Alright, can you see what we're doing, chat? We're making them.
Right, yeah. I reckon I can make some dog birds.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Oh, yours is so good.
God, yeah.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna take some chips.
Oh,
Do this.
Sorry,
Get
Glenn.
that in the middle, like that. Then we can pop it on the side. There we go.
Oh, nice.
There
He's
we
got
go.
it. He's got it.
Exactly that.
So I think the trick is, right, you roll it just in 2 fingers like this.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. They look like weights as well, like, you know, like dumbbells.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Orin's working out.
Yeah.
Yours is way smaller than mine. We made little dog treats for Orin. Don't they look good? They might be too crispy. We've got to have the dog treats. That's
I'm
right.
sure Orin won't
I'm
mind.
sure they'll be fine. They smell good, those cookies, actually.
No, they do.
Hey, puppy. Hey. Come. Go.
You're
Okay.
such a lucky dog, Orin.
Very lucky to get your own treats. Okay. Hey, puppy.
Orin.
Pop up. Pop up.
Good
Oh, come get it. Good boy. He's a good boy, that puppy. That puppy of ours. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. You can watch me stream on Twitch, catch my videos right here, or check me out on Instagram. Hope to see you next time. Cheers.